Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to trade Bybit futures. Firstly, to start trading USDT perpetuals, you must have a unified trading account. New users on Bybit automatically sets up a UTA during registration. Existing users just click upgrade on the trade page or assets, then spot, then upgrade now. Review the terms, then click confirm upgrade. Now go to Assets, Unify Trading, then Deposit. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency and the correct blockchain or network. Then copy the wallet address or scan the QR code and send funds from your external wallet to Bybit. Now go to Trade, then Futures. Select the USDT tab and choose a pair. Then use the chart to analyze market conditions. On the right, use the trading widget to enter position size, set leverage, then choose order type, limit, market, etc. Then click buy or long or sell short to open your position. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.